You are tuning in for Datazero Late Night Live. We're going to be talking about stocks and crypto. Let's get a few minutes for people to get in here, and then we're going to get the party started. You already know what it is. Stay on our grind, stay on our grizz. Head and shoulders possibly playing out on Bitcoin. Remember we talked about this? If we lose this level of support, it's all bad for BTC. Right now, Bitcoin holding that level. We got Carbon in the building, Charles in the building, Ape in the building. We're going to be looking at what's going to be happening for tomorrow, baby. You already know what it is. You already know what it is. You should. We're going to be talking about what's going to happen tomorrow, what we're going to see, stocks and crypto, technicals, predictions, the works. Y'all know what it is. All right. We back in this. So, let's go ahead and get into it. I want to talk about the gap fill to the upside here on AMC. We also have definitely a bit of not oversold yet on these time frames, but look on the hourly time frame. We went to oversold. 2 hour time frame, we're getting close. We're kind of making like this rise in RSI. Price is kind of trending down, while RSI is definitely trending up, so momentum's building. And we have the Bollinger Bands here. Outside of the Bollinger Band, so price is going to want to come back inside of that. It means it's overextended to the downside, sold too fast. And on top of that, we have this gap fill to the upside. Now, GameStop still holding up right now. GameStop. I'm going to see. And I want to thank you guys for everything, man. We've been absolutely booming lately. Things have just been going through the roof. A lot of new subscribers, a lot of new views. We have 300,000 views total on the channel. We're breaking new records on views. Likes and engagements at an all-time high. So everybody who's repping out there, bro, keep repping DZ fam. We are in the building, dog. And honestly, for real, together, bro, we cannot be stopped. But we got to stay focused. We got to stay together. And we got to build a real community, because that's the one thing that this world lacks, is a sense of community. And I know that some of us are strangers we haven't met in real life, but I hope to change that with the meet and greet. That way we can build real connections in real life and connections here online. Bro, I'm telling you guys, we're taking this thing to the next level. We're taking it to a level that stocks and crypto never seen. And imagine if we all meet and we have business. Some people have businesses. We can make connections. We can network. We can build and grow together, literally. So this is real shit, guys. I'm talking here. Of course, as we are small right now, you know, people would have to come out, and it would be limited at times. But maybe in the future, if we get big enough, 50,000, 100,000 subscribers, we start traveling, going to different places. I mean, the sky's the limit, y'all. So let's go ahead and get this money. Focus on the markets, because I definitely think markets are topping out. Things are starting to get pretty bearish. I am worried about this head and shoulders on Bitcoin, but I think we'll see a drawdown and then definitely see more upside. It's just, you know, we could have a period of bearishness. It's too early to tell right now. We did have a head and shoulders before. In fact, we had a head and shoulders down here. And I actually talked about that head and shoulders right here, and Meet Kevin actually stole my technical analysis. But was this the head and shoulders? It was like a shoulder right here, a head right here, and a shoulder right here. And if we lost the 60K support line, I believe this was it right here. It was building a head and shoulders. So we've had it before where we've held that major level of support. Really, what I should do is draw a rectangle up there, right here. We need a fat line, because if that line breaks, we need to hold that line, ladies and gentlemen. This 91,685 needs to be held. Now, I'm going to be running through. I'm going to be probably streaming till about 9 and then go ahead and working on the video. We got Can't Wait. Whoa, 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 whoa. I never expect it on the weekend, guys, or the days that the market is not open. That is people just showing love to show love. Can't wait to quit my job. Just dropped a membership. He just bought a membership right now. Welcome to level 1. Welcome to the DZ fam. Also, guys, as I start growing and building a team, I want to build members-only content. So there's going to be content for members exclusively. I'm working on teaching people this year. I'm going to focus on the educational side of things. I think that is the way to go with this. I'm going to focus on getting you guys that class I've been telling you guys about for almost a year now. I'm going to focus on making members-only content that is educational, but also free content that is educational. But I want to do members-only content. And I want to focus more on the educational side of things. That way you guys can really understand how I'm doing what I'm doing. Because if you can, and I'm not saying this is everything, results vary for everyone. I know that sounds very businessy, but if you can learn how to read the charts and do what I'm doing, I think over my career I showed you guys that it's possible to read the charts. Some people say technical analysis doesn't even exist. These patterns and fractals play out because of the algorithm and because of people and because of psychology. It works. Also, there's fundamental data and news catalysts. When you put all of those things together and really analyze it with the charts and also the fundamentals and all of the stuff, like how I look at cost to borrow, options chain, stuff like that, you can really get a good grasp at what's going on. And I do this with all free data. So any one of you guys and girls could pick up the computer if I show you guys my thought process, why I'm doing things, why I say I'm gonna say in my predictions, and really show you guys how to do that, I think you guys could become money printers. And again, it's not gonna be you know, everyone just instantly turn into a money printer. But I think if I show you guys how to do this a lot, it will benefit you guys a lot more than just me going live and saying my predictions, because you'll be able to do it yourself. And then also we can help each other in the chat. Like, there's been times where people have pointed out patterns and stuff that I didn't see, and that really, really helps me out, and that helps the community out as a whole. So, and there's also, you guys will be able to show me trades, and together we'll grow, man. I'm telling you guys, this channel is mutually beneficial to everybody. It looks like the markets are topping out, man. It looks like 2025 is getting pretty bearish. Stocks. SPY has this possible head and shoulders too. It's a sloppy head and shoulders, but this is a head and shoulders here. If SPY loses this major level, it will dump. It's gonna be right here on SPY. $586.83. If SPY loses that, it's gonna dump. It's a major level of support that that can't be broken. Thank you. Can't wait to quit my job for joining the fam and supporting the channel. I really appreciate that. I really, really, really appreciate it when you guys just show love on the weekends or weekdays whenever the market is open or market is not open. So thank you a lot on that one. I want to go ahead and try to do this. We already have a half hour left. So let's go ahead and give you guys just some information here for the joining the live. And then let's go ahead and get the video that we're going to be making for everybody. And getting it ready. I responded to Adam Aaron's tweet. It's going pretty, it's not viral, but it's getting pretty big. If you guys want to help out on that, you guys can. XRP's bull flag. We're going to check in on that. What if Bitcoin dips but XRP pumps? That'd be crazy. Okay, so yeah, here's the tweet with Adam Aaron. 4.9k views, 159 likes, 22 retweets. I could try to look at the comments, hopefully like farm some engagement. Maybe replies to some people. I don't know how to work Twitter. Justin Brockman. Oh, man. And this guy's been going absolutely berserk, brother. Thank you for the 10-piece, bro. Personal favor, mind taking a quick look at Fubu. What's the ticker? I guess Fubu would be the ticker. And we will look at that. We will look at that. If you guys want to help out on that, I think, let me show you how to share this. I don't know how to share it. Right there. If you guys want to help out, comment on that right there. Leave a comment on that tweet. Man, this, I need to tilt this back further so that way. My bad, y'all. 1 second. There's gotta be a screw in the back of my monitor I can tighten because it's loose and it like wants to lean forward. There's gotta be some screw somewhere where I can tighten it, but I can't find it right now. I've been looking for it. There's gotta be a screw back there. I hope GME doesn't dip, but let's take a look at it. And let's take a look at the Fubu TV. Hold on 1 second, y'all. Thank you for the 10-piece, by the way, Justin. Is it Fubu? I've done TA on this before. This beat is sick. It looks like it's going to have some pullback, but you could see. So it looks like it's definitely going to have some pullback, but you could see a recovery. It's definitely going to pull back here in the short term here. I'll give you a little prediction of what I think might happen. Of course, you know, this is not financial advice. I definitely could be wrong. Blah, 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 blah. You already know the deal, brother. But let me show you guys what I think maybe might happen. You might even dip like real low and then start working your way back up. You're definitely bearish here in the short term. If you break above, now, if I'm wrong and you break above 645, you're going to see a nice pop to the upside, but you need to break above 645 holding that level. And if you can hold 645, and this is another thing, guys, if you guys know how to trade, you can show me stocks and we can learn together and maybe play the trades together. Not like literally together, but you know what I mean. Why does this keep stopping? Now this could be a bull flag, but you see how RSI is trending down. It's definitely looking like this thing's gonna fade out a little bit. Maybe make like a falling wedge type structure. You still have a lot of good buy signals and bullish momentum here on the alligator. So and I'll tell you what, if you can hold the level and as long as you stay above. If you stay above $4.46, if you can stay above that and hold that level, you should see a return to the upside. What I'm thinking is you'll see a dip down to either 450 or possibly a retest of 320 and then get a big movement to the upside. I would say, and this is very, very risky because it looks like this was a news-driven event. I don't know the fundamentals behind this. But I will say if this does come down to $3.28, that would be where I would buy, not financial advice. Anything under that would be even better. So not financial advice. If this thing comes lower than 328, that's where I would be buying. If you can hold 450 to 328, you should see a recovery back up. And if you can break 645, you'll see a nice pop to the upside. Looks like momentum's fading and you'll see a dip. So if you are looking for an entry, possibly a good time. Not financial advice. Just what I'm looking at based off the charts and the data. None of this is personalized. Advice for you. We have 71 people in the building. Hell yeah, bro. 71 people in the building. One brand new member. And 1090. Whoa, hold on. This is crazy. This is crazy. Time out. Time out. For a stream that we just started an hour ago. And yo, I want to thank you guys for everything. We just started this stream. We have one brand new member plus super chats and 71 in the building. Thank you guys for being here. Yo, if you want to support the channel for absolutely free, hit the like button and subscribe. Hit the like button and subscribe. I'm not going to post that I'm streaming because I want more people to watch the video. But I'm about to make a video right now, and then you guys can watch that video and see the predictions for tomorrow. GameStop, I think if you did see a dip, it would be a very little one. We still have, we're in a massive uptrend on GameStop here. I'm prepared for some possible excitement here on GameStop, honestly. We're in a huge uptrend, dude. No, we're breaking out of this bull pennant. We're in a huge uptrend. If we break above this 434.32, where they have these sell orders, we're gonna blast off. So I'm pretty excited about GameStop, and I'm not saying that to try to hype you guys up. That's just what I am. I'm excited about GameStop. Let's check out shares available to short. They got 1.1 million at the time of recording. 3.5 million on AMC. They've been dumping overnight, or 9 hours ago they've been dumping. 9 hours ago? Does that make sense? No, that's like still today. Cost to borrow at 0.51%. Cost to borrow was up to like a percentage point on AMC. That was decent. Cost to borrow is mad low on GameStop, but I still feel like liquidity is a little bit better because I always have less shares. Tomorrow we have unemployment. Oh my God, tomorrow the market dumps. If unemployment comes out as forecasted, the market's going to dump because that means unemployment's coming out higher. No, bro. Is he about to do another Nicole Kidman? Oh my God, bro. I have to put this in the video. Bro! Oh my God, bro! Oh my fucking God! What is wrong with you? God damn you, Adam Aaron. I fucking knew it. Bro, I knew he was... Oh my God, you're predictable as a book, dude. We called it that you were going to do another Nicole Kidman using our money, bro. Bro, that stupid commercial in the front of the movies doesn't do anything, you dumb idiot. Oh my God, we have the worst CEO, dog. I can't even do this shit no more, guys. This shit's gonna make my blood pressure go crazy. I'm not even trying to troll for the views, bro. I'm mad as hell right now. I'm not even trying to troll for the views right now. I'm mad as... Bro, I'm mad. Bro, I'm mad, bro. I gotta calm down. I'm mad. I knew he was gonna do this shit. Oh my God, dude. And he's gonna ask for more dilution. That's why he got dilution. That's why he... Just to give the money to Nicole Kidman, bro. This is some sick shit, dog. Dude, thank you, Shifty, for the 10, bro. Thank you, Shifty, for the 10, bro. Nah, man, this shit is so bullshit, bro. I'm tired of this dude, bro. Adam Aaron doing another Nicole Kidman commercial, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God, bro. I gotta tweet about this. Hopefully I can start making enough noise where people wake up. I'm tweeting about this Adam Aaron shit. How did I do that last time? I like reply tweeted or something. This guy's gonna try to give Nicole Kidman another check, bro. Remember the time? I'm gonna say this. Remember the time CEO Adam Aaron said he was gonna use to pay off debt. He was gonna use the share dilution to pay off debt. Yet all he did was give Nicole K a fat check. With our shareholder value. And I bet he wants to do another commercial. I bet y'all he wants to do another commercial. Watch him delete my tweet, though, because every time I tweet Adam Aaron, he deletes it. Let's see if it stays up. Watch. It might get deleted. Every time I try to tweet Adam Aaron, it gets diluted. And instead of using the money to pay off debt, he did more dilution and then paid off debt. If you guys want to help make this tweet viral, here, help share this tweet. Help share this tweet right now. Help share this tweet right now. Help this tweet go viral so we can wake people up and spread the news. Right there's the link for the tweet, baby. We got 84 people in the building right now. What happened to the camera? Hold on, let me fix the camera real quick, man. That's way better. That's way better. And it's way, now it's solid, baby. Hell yeah. Okay. That is way better. It's like perfect. Yeah, it will never move again. All right, cool. I had to tighten it up a little bit. All right, let's get to this video and then wrap it up here, man. Thank you guys for everything, man. You guys' support has been just wild. Help that tweet go viral. Right here's the tweet link. We got Andrew in the building, Aisha in the building, Regular in the building, Tate's in the building. What up, Jeff, GCA, Black Boy, Omega 12, First Light, Angel. Shifty Bites, EBIV, Felix, Silk in the building, Junior in the building. Thank you guys for the super chats. You guys went wild, man. Let's get this video out here. I got so mad. I didn't even read that right at first. So I thought he was gonna do another commercial, but he's just saying about adding a commercial in front of this girl's movie, Nicole Kidman's movie. But I thought he was saying that I'm about to do another commercial. I got so mad. I'm not even trolling you guys. I got so mad when I thought he was doing another commercial. That's my serious reaction. That I thought he was going to do another commercial. But I tweeted. I read the rest of the tweet and I tweeted. I said, remember, Adam Aaron CEO said he was going to use the share dilution to pay off debt. Yeah, all he did was give Nicole K a fat check with our shareholder value. I'm betting he wants to give her another one. Watch out for that, AMC stock shareholders and AMC apes. Hopefully that one gets some traction. We got some traction on this last one here, where I did my response to Adam Aaron's. I don't know how I did it, but I was able to tag Adam Aaron. I did it differently. I don't know. And then I put Adam Aaron's tweet in the picture and my tweet. Like, he's not like us, bro. Like, we spend our last little money on AMC shares. Bro has millions. And there's still people in the comments defending him. Like, oh, he gets shares for payment. You work, don't you? Yeah, he also gets cash and shares. And he gets millions. And he wants to take our money. When he needs to be cutting cost and trying to find different avenues of spending instead of trying to just dilute. The share float literally went from 11 million, which is a very squeezable float, to 380 million. Like, bro, AMC shares outstanding, like, it went from a very manageable time, it was like a very manageable, now it's 381 million, dude. That's gonna be so hard to squeeze. Like, when we first started this shit, AMC shares outstanding, bro, like, it was 11 million, bro. And now we have 380. Like, come on now, bro. 11 million is very squeezable. Very squeezable. But let's go ahead and get into the video before I get too worked up, y'all. We've been really rocking out and just crushing it lately on SPY, different trades. Let me check out the options chain on GME here. Still stacked with options. It looks like a lot of people are taking money off the contracts though, but next week, nope. Looks like a lot of people are taking like money off of the contracts. They're moving. It looks like they're rolling them. Looks like they might be rolling them. Still stacked to the hilt for like all of this month is stacked on calls. All of this month. And this could grow bigger as these expiration dates come closer. Something's been brewing in the options chain. People are buying. You guys are going crazy. My God. Can't wait to quit my job. Just dropped another 10, bro. What the hell, man? You guys. Dude, thank you guys for real, man. What the man, dude. Thank you, man. Thank you. 717 or 707 in the building. Can't wait to quit my job. Just dropped another 10, bro. Can we please get some hype in the chat for my man? Can't wait to quit my job. Just dropped another 10 piece. Wow, did not expect anything like this on live stream. That just doing updates. Normally we don't get any. Thank you guys so much for the support, man. It's been crazy. Cheers, bro. But we still got Jimmy GameStop. Yeah, brother. Like GameStop's good and all. And I'm not giving up on AMC or anything like that, but I just want to see AMC taken better care of, dude. I don't want to see. We could. AMC could be such a. Honestly, and some people are gonna hate me for saying this, AMC could be a bigger animal than GameStop, but because of what Adam Aaron has done to it, it's not. AMC could have went more gains higher. AMC had at one time had more people talking about it than GameStop. GameStop was first, but at one time AMC had way more people talking about it, and it had a way bigger online presence than GameStop. Like GameStop was a little bit more underground, while AMC was popping off crazy. All right, let's try to get this video started. We've been live. Oh man, it's already 9 o'clock. Shoot, so we've been live for an hour about. Yeah, wow, crazy. Time flies when you're having fun. But now, last time when we got a big move on AMC, it was smaller. So this move was bigger on AMC, this move. But now, when we got this move and GameStop got this move, GameStop ran 600%, 550%, 600%, around that range. And then AMC only ran 399%. So now we're seeing like smaller moves from AMC, and this move on AMC was at the same time as this move on GameStop. This second run up, and AMC did way more gains. So this, like, if you look at the time, it's the time where this happened. It's around 3.5. Let's match it exactly. Oh no, so it's more comparable to actually this run up. So this run up, this even smaller run up, because right here, 5.6 2021, and look, 5.6 on the bottom of your screen. Look on the bottom of your screen, 5.6 2021, and look how big this move was on AMC. But at the same time, this move that happened on 1/2 2021, 1/2. So right here's 1/2 was smaller on AMC, but AMC had a move. This move was bigger on GameStop. Then GameStop pulled back, had this rally. AMC rallied again when GameStop had this rally. AMC rallied when GameStop rallied here. It had this rally here, which was the same time GameStop had this rally. So both of those rallies were smaller. But then the next one, when GameStop rallied again, AMC's was much bigger. I'm thinking if we are entering the squeeze and they're trying to control it, the squeeze cycle, whatever you want to call it, this move could be smaller, but the next move for AMC could be bigger. We have a lot more short interest in GameStop right now. We have 15%, while it seems like a lot of the shorts have gotten out of GameStop. We only have 7%. Now, that doesn't mean there's hidden short interest or anything like that, but it seems like some of them have gotten out. We have 92 people in the building. Holy cow. So we got 92 people in the building right now, one brand new member, and then the fam has just been showing mad love, crazy on the super chats right now for a stream that the market's not even open. Guys, please hit that like button and subscribe to help support the channel for absolutely free. And we're going to go ahead and get into this video. If you guys are watching this video right now, please, when the video comes out, if you don't mind, go ahead and click the video and drop a like on it, because it will help me out with the algorithm, especially because they've taken me out of the algorithm. Normally I get like 500 views on the live stream, and then the video gets like 1,000 to 1,000.1 to like almost 2,000. Lately I haven't even been able to break 1,000 views, so I really need you guys' help, because I haven't been able to make videos because I was on vacation, and YouTube, they say they don't, but they punish you. I haven't been able to make videos, so I'm not in the video algorithm. I'm only in the live stream algorithm. So that is why my view videos haven't been able to go up. So if you guys see the video right now, which you're about to, please go ahead and click it and just drop a like on it. That helps spread it to more people. And if you can leave a comment on it as well. I'm going to try to give you guys some technicals, ideas of what we could see tomorrow based off the charts, facts, and data. None of this is guaranteed. This is just what I believe could happen based off of my research and due diligence. So let's go ahead and check this out for AMC and GME, GameStop, SPY, and so much more. We'll also be looking at cryptocurrency as well, because we love our crypto. Crypto could be having a pullback, which I do not want. I'm hoping GameStop can hold this 32.90, but I think we're going to drop below it. But if we can hold it, we could definitely see a pop to the upside. And I'll talk about that. SPY looks like it might try to attempt for this gap fill. In fact, I think we might see some excitement early on in SPY. Maybe even like a break above this support and resistance, and then drop down in the morning. But I think unemployment is going to have a bad reaction on SPY. Maybe like find some support here, but I really feel like SPY could see a big drop down tomorrow. We're going to see, though, unemployment. We have a ton of bombs dropping tomorrow. Non-farm payrolls, unemployment, and Michigan consumer sentiment. The biggest thing is definitely going to be unemployment. So let's go ahead and hop into it. SPY does have this gap fill to the upside. If SPY loses this level, it will absolutely dump. I have a feeling that SPY is going to try to fill that gap before dumping. But that's a very dangerous thing to bet on. Especially if unemployment comes out hot, it's going to be devastating. Now, if unemployment comes out good, it only comes out at 4.2, which the consensus says it might come out at 4.2. You could see a pump in the market, which would pump you up for that gap fill. But I still think overall we would pull back eventually. The market's definitely topping out in my personal opinion. The peeps love y'all, man. Man, the family loves you guys. This is a real community. We have the best people in here, y'all. We have the best community, y'all. That's hands down the truth. We are the best community. All right, let's get into this. I'm going to try to do it one take. It's going to be hard. Why is OBS open twice? I'm just gonna leave it because I don't want to mess anything up. OBS should not be open twice. That shouldn't even be possible. I'm just gonna leave it because I don't want to mess the live stream up. Let me see if the second one's streaming. It's not. All right, I'm gonna close it. All right, hello, testing. Okay. All right, let's get it. Ladies and gentlemen, This is your daily outlook and prediction for stocks and crypto. The market was closed today due to Jimmy Carter's death. RIP Jimmy Carter. The market will be open tomorrow, and I'm here to prepare you for that. Now, we are recording this live, so some of you are going to see this live. If you can, just go ahead and drop a like on the video when it does come out. And if you guys want to help support the channel and help this video grow and really help me out because they put me out of the algorithm because I was on vacation. Long story short, I need you guys' help. Drop those comments and leave those likes on this video. Now, let's not waste any more time. Hop into charts, facts, and data. I had to get through all that YouTuber stuff. We got to stay in the algorithm, guys. We have to stay in the algorithm. It's important. It's our job. Now that we got all that stuff out of the way, let's go ahead and get into this. Also, of course, you guys know this is not financial advice. This is just my own research, charts, and technicals. Now, I'm sure you guys are all curious what's going to be happening for AMC because we did see a dip to the downside last trading day. Now, we have a gap fill. Okay, we have a gap fill to the upside at $4.20 to $4.02, not 20, I wish. And then $4.03. Okay, I repeat, $4.20. Let me start over. I have to get into video mode. We're almost there. We're almost there. Hold on. They just filmed the new Superman in Cleveland. All right, guys, what is up? You are back for another video with Datazero. This video is not financial advice, should not be taken as such. This is my own research and due diligence. I have to go through all the typical YouTuber stuff, and I've been out of the algorithm because I went on vacation, so I haven't been able to drop videos. So, guys, girls, ladies, and gents, please leave a like and comment on this video. And if you are watching this video during the live stream, please, when the video drops, leave a like and comment on it. It really does help spread the video to more people so more people can see it. And I do need the help right now as I am out of the algorithm. Now, with all that YouTuber stuff and disclaimer stuff out of the way, let's go ahead and show you all what I think for the charts, facts, and data are telling me. This video is not financial advice. So I'm sure you guys are all curious about what AMC is going to be doing because last trading day we did see a drop to the downside. Now, the good thing is we have a couple of bullish things telling me that we'll probably see a recovery sooner than people are thinking, and it's not going to get as bearish as people are thinking. I will give you downside price targets just to prepare you guys, but I don't think that's what's going to be happening. I think we're actually going to start recovering here as early as tomorrow, which is Friday, the last trading day of this week. And again, the market was closed today to Jimmy Carter's death. RIP Jimmy Carter. Now, AMC most likely is going to see a consolidation here in the pre-market and then drop down, retesting 393, maybe a little bit lower as support, and then get a bounce. We have this gap fill to the upside at 402 and 403. Okay, so we want to get up there, and that gap is going to get filled, but first we have to get above, obviously, the $4 support and resistance. I believe we will be able to do this. If we do this tomorrow, that would be extremely bullish because then we're going to start getting hedging for calls. I don't think they want us under $4 or over $4. Let's go ahead and check out AMC Max Pain. If the Max Pain is around $4, they are incentivized to let AMC run up a little bit and collect that options premium, which AMC's Max Pain is $4. So there is a very good chance that we have a bullish Friday here for AMC. They probably don't want to close it right at $4 or above $4 because the calls would be going in the money. If we close above $4, that's going to be a major victory for the apes. Okay, so if we close above $4 for AMC, count that as a victory for the apes, giving us a bullish Friday and obviously giving us some gamma into next week. Max Pain for GME is a 30.50. Now, the reason why they want to close on Max Pain is that's where option sellers, the market makers, make the most money off of options premium. They won't want $4 call options in the money, so their price target for tomorrow is going to be like $3.99, $3.98. In fact, don't be surprised if that's where AMC closes, as market makers will try to manipulate it to that price, and they are often successful when manipulating, especially on Friday, because they put everything in the Friday because it's one of the most important days because it's options expirations. So what I'm thinking we're going to see for tomorrow is a drop down in the morning, probably getting people discouraged, but we'll probably see AMC push to the upside. If we can close above $4, that is a victory. We will fill this gap. Will it be tomorrow or in next week? That is the question. I'm thinking more likely next week, as they won't want us above $4, and they have plenty of short shares right now, ammo. If we go ahead and look at short shares at time of recording right now, 3.4 million. So that is something you want to be aware of. They have plenty of ammo to try to keep us down here for AMC stock. As far as GME stock is concerned right now, they have less ammo. They're actually shorting right now. You can see as of 8 minutes ago, they just dumped short shares on GME stock 8 minutes ago. So this is never ending. It's always changing. Things are crazy. Short sellers are devious people. You can see that they actually dropped about 200,000 short shares. They're down to only 900,000 right now, and they are low on ammo. Now, this could change as early as market open, but right now they are low on ammo for short shares on GME. They have plenty of ammo for short shares on AMC, and I believe some of that is because of the dilution from Adam Aaron. When you do dilution, it frees up liquidity and basically sells the shares that they can use to short directly to the people. In fact, they sold to Goldman Sachs, which Goldman Sachs could easily use the shares that they acquired to directly short into the market. So this is why we see more short pressure for AMC, and this is why we do not want Adam Aaron as our CEO, in my personal opinion. Again, that's just my opinion. You guys can think whatever you want. Now, I made this little tweet about Adam Aaron. If you guys want to help out, go ahead and check it out. But remember the time Adam Aaron said he was going to use the share dilution to pay off the debt, but all he did was give Nicole K a fat check. I believe it was like $25 million for that commercial. With our shareholder value, I'm betting he wants to give her another one. Ladies and gentlemen, apes and apes, watch out for that, as I am expecting him to probably try to do that again. And watch out for another yes or no vote coming up, because AMC itself is running out of shares that they can sell for dilution, and they're going to need shareholder approval to get more. So all of you need to be aware that that's coming. So there's a reason why some of these shill AMC YouTubers are starting to post right now. I'm not going to say their name for free promo. They're starting to post right now. There's a reason why Adam Aaron has been a lot active on Twitter. There's going to be a yes or no vote. Ladies and gentlemen, do not get psyoped. We do not want any more dilution, okay? When the share float started, when all of this short squeeze talk started, the share float was only 11 million shares. It has absolutely ballooned to 381 million shares outstanding, which is way harder to squeeze, and that's exactly what the short sellers want. Okay, so we cannot keep diluting. Doing the same thing over and over and over and expecting different results is called insanity. And if you look at all of the dilution on AMC, and I don't even have it all listed on here, every single time we get dilution on AMC, the price just goes down. This rally would have went higher, but AMC sold shares. You can see that when Adam Aaron made APE, and you can verify all of this, around August 22nd, Adam Aaron made APE. We had this major rally. We were about to make a major move. Adam Aaron made APE, which was actually a secret way of dilution. He called it a dividend. Lied to us. Seen that move to the downside after that. Then we were about to have the craziest market break and short squeeze ever. We had short interest at 30%. We were on the FTD list, failure to deliver list, for over 45 days. They couldn't even short no more because of the rule that if you're on that list for more than 45 days, you can't even short shares. Short shares available to borrow was 0 for the longest time. They were counting on that short reverse split and dilution to get out of that predicament. We would have seen a crazy market short break and short squeeze. We had FTDs to cover plus 30% short interest, okay? And the stock was going up, okay? And then the judge did us dirty. They did us dirty. They did the reverse split. Price went to a new low, which is exactly what I said. The FTDs disappeared because they covered them all, and the short interest dropped down, and now we are slowly building back up, and they are slowly getting their backs against the wall again because they just keep shorting instead of covering their positions. But now they're going to be looking for a way out, and their way out is a yes vote. Also, we've seen shares diluted here when they tried to get shares for the debt. And we seen dilution here when AMC was about to go parabolic, and then we seen what happened. We got even more pullback. AMC was about to go absolutely crazy here, breaking out at $6 and fulfilling the fractal, getting a much bigger move to the upside. They used dilution to get out of that. So ladies and gentlemen, it is time for no more dilution. They need to pin their backs against the wall. That's exactly what GameStop doing, because GameStop said no more dilution for a period of time, and the short sellers are back backs against the wall. And I'm going to talk about GameStop here in a second, but it's looking particularly bullish. Now, I'm not saying it's all over for AMC. I'm just telling you guys the truth. You guys can figure out what you want. You can verify everything I'm saying here. But we need to wake up. It is time to understand that dilution is not the way, and AMC is not going bankrupt. It's going to be just fine. As a CEO, he should have did what Ryan Cohen did, and I have to give credit where credit does, where it's credit due, and cut cost, find other avenues of making money, expanding the business, changing the business, maybe even taking a pay cut himself in order to get money, and do smart dilution, not dilute at these low prices. Do smart dilution. Do not dilute over and over and over again and use their shareholders as a piggy bank. Now, as far as AMC is concerned, I already told you guys what I expect for tomorrow's trading day. There's a very good chance that we could have a bullish push to the upside. Will we fill this gap tomorrow or into later next week? That is the question. I think they are going to push it up towards $4, but probably around $3.99, $3.98. Don't be surprised if you see the stock close at that range because they have a lot of short shares right now. GameStop, a potential bullish consolidation. GameStop needs to hold $32.90 to see a push to the upside. Right now we have two uptrends, a micro uptrend here and a macro uptrend here. GameStop intact. Also, GameStop breaking out of this beautiful, and following its fractal because it didn't have dilution. Following its fractal, you can see we had this falling wedge breakout where the fractal shows a big move to the upside. We got that big move here. We have the same fractal repeating again, and you can see that GameStop has been rallying. If GameStop breaks above 34, 32, and this is not to hype you guys up, you could see a big pop to the upside if we can hold that level. They do have sell walls here at like $36 all the way to $48, and they have sell walls way up here at $68 all the way to $120, and I'm going to show you guys why those sell walls are there. Again, this is not to hype you guys up. GameStop could, again, we're fighting short sellers. We're fighting the worst of the worst. Could make a move. Options chain, absolutely insane. You can see 2.6 billion in open interest, ladies and gentlemen, for January 17th. And you can see as high as the $125 strike price. That's why there's sell orders all the way up there, because there's a potentiality that GameStop could make that move, because there's also a technical breakout of the macro falling wedge. Again, I'm not saying Bitcoin is GameStop, but Bitcoin has done something similar. Technicals are technicals. You see a breakout of the falling wedge, then you see a consolidation pullback, and then you see a big rally making a new high. The falling wedge is a rally to consolidation to new high pattern on the macro, especially. GameStop, rally, falling wedge. We could see a brand new high for GameStop. Again, this could be later down the road. I'm not saying this is going to happen this week. I'm not going to say this will happen tomorrow, but we are on track to possibly reach my price target of $35 to $40 by the 17th. That is my price target. I believe we will see it, but in order for that to happen, we must break above 34, 32. We have to break above and hold that level. In order to get to that position, in order to get there, we need to hold 32.90. What I think we could see in the morning is some pre-market excitement, a drop down actually below 32.90, retesting 32.80, and then possibly getting a bounce from there and moving to the upside. Right now, we are looking good because there's a lot less short shares for GME. Again, only 900,000 at time of recording. So GME does look bullish, and it has this bullish consolidation. We had this push up, and we've been consolidating, but we must hold that 32.90 level in order to see another move to the upside. We could briefly drop below it, like I'm thinking we're going to see in the morning, but I think we're going to make a move up. Now, if we do go down, low price targets would be like 32.68. And then we have another low price target. I'm going to give you ones for AMC as well. We would have 32.43 as well. And then I'm going to give you some for AMC. If we did see downside, you would see $3.80 and $3.90, but I don't think that's what we're going to see for AMC. I just want to give you guys downside price targets in case it does happen. But what I'm telling you is my prediction. GameStop's going to push up, and AMC is going to push up here on Friday. If it does happen here on Friday, that's going to set us up for bullishness next week. And it looks like January 17th expiration is particularly bullish, which is, again, next week. So it's looking exciting, like GameStop might start rallying tomorrow and into next week. We're going to see here. Bullish Friday is going to be what determines it. Remember, GameStop max pain is 30.50. So they're going to try to push it down with everything they can because they want to try to get that max pain target. But GameStop's been beating max pain almost every single week, and I think it's going to do it again this week, showing that market makers are actually not in control of GME. So that's what we're looking at for GME and AMC. Again, I'm recording this live. If you are seeing this live, please, when the video drops, go ahead and drop a like on it and help me get back into the algorithm. Now we're going to go ahead and go into SPY. And if you're watching this on the video, hit that like button, leave comments, and subscribe. It helps out more than you think. Let's go ahead and hop into SPY. This video has been an absolute banger so far. Let's go ahead and see if we can wrap it up. Unemployment, okay, that's going to be the big thing to look for tomorrow. Unemployment drops tomorrow at 8:30. Watch for that, okay? If you see a big pop to the upside, or if you see unemployment go below 4.2%, you are going to see a rally. There's a forecast of 4.3 and a consensus of 4.2. So we have a little bit of mix of what's going to come in. If you see it come in at 4.3, that's going to be very, very bearish for the market. And if you see anything over 4.3, the market's going to absolutely tank. If you see it come in at 4.2 or 4.1, there's a chance that the market could rally up some. It's really going to determine on these numbers on unemployment. Unemployment's going to be more important than non-farmer payrolls, but that is also a big one as well. And we have Michigan consumer sentiment dropping at 10 a.m., so watch for volatility around that time as well. If we go ahead and look at what the charts are saying for SPY, I believe what we're going to see is some pre-market excitement, possibly with that unemployment drop. If unemployment comes out good, you could probably expect a push up for that gap fill. If it comes out at like 4.2, 4.1, and the gap fill starts at 590.58 and goes up to 590.68, I really feel like SPY wants to retest 591.09 before rejecting down. But SPY on the macro is starting to make a nasty possible head and shoulders. And if we lose this key level here of like 586.50, you're going to see SPY absolutely dump. So watch for that possible macro head and shoulders play out. There is a possibility on that, and I'm going to talk about possibility of a macro head and shoulders on BTC as well. But it looks like SPY wants to potentially push up before pulling back, but we still have a lot of bearish momentum here on the MACDs. But what I'm expecting to see is SPY push up towards 589.25, possibly as early as pre-market, and then pull back towards 588.53. If you use 588.53 as support, that's going to confirm more upside. If you lose that level, that's going to confirm more downside towards 587.71. So watch out for that. I will be live tomorrow. Make sure you guys like and subscribe as I do go live as well, giving you guys predictions and coverage as this does all happen as well. Now, let's go ahead and move into BTC. I'm just going to take a quick look at NVIDIA here and see what's going on for NVIDIA. And see if we can see anything here that could give us some signs on what's happening. NVIDIA does have this macro rising wedge, got this big push. It was definitely an exit liquidity dump, so NVIDIA could be pulling back tomorrow. That could definitely be bearish. And then also Apple in an overall downtrend as well, which could definitely lead to bearishness for the market. So if unemployment comes out good, that's the one thing that could probably save SPY. Other than that, I think we're going to be potentially seeing some downside, but not before a bull trap. Okay, so you're gonna see upside, bull trap type upside, and then it's gonna dump down, in my personal opinion. Okay, so I think we're gonna see a possible bull trap type setup where you see a mini rally and then pull back. Again, I'll be live covering it all as it does unfold. Let's go ahead and go into Bitcoin and crypto and wrap up this video. Bitcoin, thankfully, getting a bounce off of this critical support and resistance of 91.6K. Bitcoin must, and I repeat, must hold that level. We are in a nasty, nasty macro head and shoulders with RSI trending down and momentum trending down on the MACD. You can see that this head and shoulders right here formed right here. You can see the shoulder, head and shoulder. And if Bitcoin loses that level of like 91,300, 91,600, you're going to see a nasty dump down towards 85, 81, and 78K. Now, if that does happen, that's going to be a buying opportunity in my personal opinion. I think this Bitcoin bull run is far from over. based off of what I'm seeing, but that is just based off of my opinion. You guys need to do your own research. If you need to take profits, whatever the case may be, if you're up highly, maybe you should take some risk off the table. Me personally, I'm holding Bitcoin long term, and I think we're going to see more upside as time continues. We also had a head and shoulders formation form as well here. You can see you have a shoulder, a head, and then a shoulder. I was talking about this as well, but we got to bounce off key support. Right here's your shoulder, head, shoulder. And it eventually ended up turning into a big bull flag. It also had this triple top type structure. Top 1, top 2, top 3. A lot of people were talking about that. But again, just led into consolidation, into a massive bull flag, which led to huge new highs for BTC. So everybody needs to figure out what's going on. In my personal opinion, if I did see the drop down, I'd probably be buying altcoin dips, Bitcoin dips, especially if it was a crash. If you see it hold, then you're probably just going to see more consolidation as Bitcoin gears up for another move. It just might need to consolidate, similar to what last time in this bull flag. I believe altcoin season still will be coming. We've actually started to see altcoins perform quite well. But go ahead and put on CoinGecko. You can see that Bitcoin dominance is coming down a little bit. It was high as 57%. Now it's only at 54%. ETH dominance still would need to come up. It's not anywhere close to what we need to see for altcoin season, but we have started to see some altcoins perform even though Bitcoin has pulled back. We have seen some altcoins perform. So again, crypto honestly would be due for a flush out if it did happen. If you go ahead and look at crypto fear and greed, you could see that we're still way into, oh wow, I just checked this recently. We're down in the neutral. This is exactly what we need, a flush out. This is exactly what we need. We're down in the neutral. If you've seen a dip down, it would go into fear. And again, you want to buy the fear and sell the greed. We were recently into the extreme greed level, and we recently just had this huge drop down. I think people are getting scared. If you did see a pullback, that's exactly what you would want to see for buying the dip. You can see Ethereum here tracking on the macro. We could see a pullback here on Ethereum, even as low as this. But then I think Ethereum's going to see a nice move to the upside. I think Ethereum's a sleeping giant. Another coin I'm watching personally is Cardano, XLM, XRP. I'm actually going to check on XRP here in a second. This is a devastating on the monthly candle doji, gravestone doji on Bitcoin. So I would not be surprised if you did see that flush out. Right now, Bitcoin getting a nasty bounce off of that support level. But I wouldn't be surprised if you did see that flush out. And you can see how we're bouncing off of the support level here. Imagine if we drop lower. People are going to be buying. Even if I popped on BTC, you could probably see some buy orders here. Yeah, you can see buy orders right here from right around that range of the head and shoulders, which is crazy. Those price targets of 86 to 80,000. Smart buyers are waiting for that dip, ladies and gentlemen. So again, this is not financial advice. If you see that dip, dips are meant to be bought. Crypto's going on a bull run. Smart buyers already waiting for those price targets, exactly where I said we'd go, 85 to 78K. So if you did see that, that would be some juicy buying opportunities for BTC, in my personal opinion, okay? So again, and if also you see it drop down in the fear, that's letting you know this is the time. Buy the fear, sell the greed. Crypto, if you did see a flush out, personally, I think it's going to be a buying opportunity. But if you see it hold support, then we're just going to continue up. Anyways, I'm holding my crypto. I'm not doing anything. And if I see a dip, I'm buying more. Bitcoin might pull back. Ethereum still tracking on the macro here for that possible breakout towards all-time highs. Again, later down the road in altcoin season, I think altcoin season could come around March, April, May of 2025 this year. Cardano 8 is definitely a coin to keep an eye on. Let's go ahead and check on XRP and then wrap up this video, because XRP actually had a potential bull flag breakout. Now, if Bitcoin pulls back, I don't think this would happen. If it did, that means XRP is outperforming Bitcoin crazy, and you could see something wild happen from XRP. So if Bitcoin pulled back and XRP popped out of this bull flag, that would be crazy. The altcoins look like they're gearing up for a potential move. And again, this could be because altcoin season is coming. I told you guys we started to see some altcoins do a lot better when Bitcoin pulls back, even outperforming Bitcoin going green. So it looks like Ethereum, XRP are gearing up for a move, while Bitcoin's maybe even gearing up for a pullback. And that could help usher in altcoin season. But right now we have XRP still in this bull flag. Buy orders here at around 210 all the way down to about 190. I think you're going to see a slight pullback before a possible breakout here on XRP. The price targets for this bull flag are 248 and 275. If you break above 275, this coin's going to absolutely fly. So that's what I'm looking at for XRP. Macro technicals, possible bull flag, breakout to the upside, especially if we do see altcoin season. And this was your daily outlook and prediction for stocks and crypto into tomorrow. I appreciate each and every one of you that watched this live. If you want to support the channel in a different way, I do have a merch store. I'm rocking some of the merch right now. That's going to be linked in the comment section and description. And again, I'm rocking some of the merch right now. So in all of my videos, I link that in the comment section and description. Right here, it's actually on the live right now. Make sure you guys hit that like button if you don't mind. Help support the channel. And hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. And you can check out the merch store or drop a super chat during the live streams to help support in a different way. But if you want to support for absolutely free, just hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. I also have a Discord. Discord is $100 right now. I put out exclusive buy and sell signals. We absolutely eat in the Discord. So if you want to start getting this money, guys, just join the family. The family's definitely making bags. Make sure you check out the live streams. And as always, y'all, the main thing you need to do is have fun, make money, stay safe. And of course, as always, y'all, next time, peace out. Absolute banger video, baby. I love when I do it like that. I love when I do it like that. That drawing was a banger, dog. I probably missed some things, but hey, there's a lot to cover all the time. That drawing was a banger. Type a 1 in the chat if it was a banger. Type a 2 in the chat if it was mid. Type a 3 in the chat if it was bad. 1 in the chat if it was a banger video for me. 2 in the chat if it was just average mid video for me. 3 in the chat if it was bad. Be honest, I don't care. I need to know the truth. Was it a good video, an average video for me, or a bad video? And then let's go ahead and lock this in, and then yeah, I did good. Thank you. I appreciate it. I noticed that when I go live, the haters like to mess with the subscribe counter, but I don't know if they know that I don't care or not. I'm not sure. My channel is just going to keep growing. They have no time on their hands, and they make fake accounts. And then when I go live, they try to drop it down. These guys have literally no lives, bro. Imagine your life being consumed so much by another person. It's so crazy. Like, they wait for me to go live with fake accounts just so they can unsubscribe them. Got lots of 1s in the chat, I see. What up, Michael? Kai Supreme, Boss Moves, Alex. Yo, thank you. Banger, thank you for what you do, man. Thank you, brother, for showing love, showing back. We couldn't be here without you guys. We literally couldn't be here without you. So thank you guys for showing love and support, man. I truly appreciate that. Thank you, 707, for that super chat, brother. Thank you a lot. Yeah, we definitely couldn't do it without you guys. Yeah, can we get some hype in the chat for 707? You guys are amazing, man. Thank you. You guys' support has just been crazy. You know that makes the haters mad. I gotta do my little trick though sometimes where I run a commercial before I start the video. I gotta remember that. That way anyone who watches the video live. Hey man, we gotta get by as YouTuber, man. I'm sorry. You guys though really help out a lot. Oh, these are bangers. These are bangers. I just found some. I found some great thumbnail oh man, these are bangers. These are bangers. These are really good. All right, I collected a couple of those.
Classic, you crazy.
Oh, that one's good. Hell yeah. All right, we're gonna have some banger thumbnails. Yeah, we're gonna have some bangers. All right, let's make a thumbnail, edit the video, and get it out there because it's getting late. It's 10. That means nobody's gonna watch it. All right, ladies and gents, bon voyage. Oh, no, I did not mean to do that. I copied them all. Okay, that's fine. I can just... I'm going to use this one. As my first one, and then we'll go from there. All right, bon voyage, everybody. Thank you guys for everything, man. You guys are the best. Andrew, you guys went crazy. $34 in super chats, bro, on a week or the days that the market's not open, man. Thank you so much, y'all. Thank you. And then one brand new member, 92 likes. We almost got 100 freaking likes on this live stream. Heck yeah, baby. All right, y'all. I'm out. Time to edit and peace, everybody. Make sure you guys hit like on the video when it drops to help me out. Clone of Clark, Alex, GCA, thanks for popping in. RC Modeler, Ghost in the Machine, thanks for popping in. GCA, we the best, DZ fam, you already know what it is.